Are you tired of looking for an easiest side hustle on 2025? Then in this video, I'm going to show one of the easiest and quickest way to earn money by doing this side hustle. Before that, if you want to learn various side hustle like this, then I recommend you to watch my playlist in the above cards. Now grab your coffee and let's hustle. So this is my amazing computer. At first, search agent in your browser and you can see this interface. Now click translate a video. You will come up with this upload your video that has to be translated. For this video, I take this Warren Buffett interview clip.
If somebody offered me a deal when I was 20 and said you're going to live 1 year longer, instead of living to 88, you'll live to 89 or whatever it may be, if you eat nothing but broccoli and Brussels sprouts and onions.
Note that he is speaking in English. Now I'm going to translate into Chinese. After uploading the video, you will get into this page. Select the language of the video in the original language section. Select the language that you want to translate the video in target language section. Select the number of speakers that are in the video. After that, click submit for translation. But you can only translate the first 3 minutes of your video for free. If you want more, you can upgrade it. You should check the video like this.
如果有人在我20岁时给我一个交易，并说你会多活1年，你知道的，不是活到88岁，而是活到89岁，或者无论是什么，你只能吃西兰花、包子、橄榄、洋葱和所有这些东西，我就会说。
See Warren Buffett speaking in Chinese fluently. After check the video, you can download like this. We have seen how to do the side hustle. Now we are going to see how to earn money from the side hustle. You can earn money by creating a seller account in Fiverr or any other platform. Fiverr is a freelancing service platform that you can earn money by working as a freelancer. You see, you can earn 500 to 1000 rupees for each translation. After creating your seller account, promote that in Instagram or any other social media. Then create stunning gigs like this. Use the agent to create a translating video and post it as gifts. If you do this consistently, you will get some clients easily and quickly as soon as possible. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more side hustles. Follow us on Instagram and Telegram for future updates. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.